Hello, I greet you on my channel. A few videos ago I've changed the display model on the Oukitel K6000 Pro. If you don't watch it, you will watch it before watching this video. I leave the link for it under the video and now it appears on top right corner. And in this video I try to separate the model and change on it only touchscreen. For this I have that old model. It has some problems. As you can see, it has strips on the entire screen and white spot below. Okay, let's start. For separating models you need to have such a plastic open card, such a wire for cutting the display models, and separator or soldering station or usual home hairdryer. All that you can buy in AliExpress. Of course, links for you will be in the description. Today I try to separate with a hairdryer. The main thing is to warm up this model. Warm the model and carefully put in the card between LCD and touch. On the reverse side you will see that the model is being cut. The same you might do with this wire. Further I'll try to cut LCD. With this wire it cuts better. But the only negative, it is constantly breaks due to uneven heating. If it's torn up, gently pull it out in the corner, thereby still slightly cutting the screen. And cut further. In this case, when you heat with hairdryer, the deal is long and tedious, but still it is possible. If you feel that the wire is already passing hard, warm up LCD for further cutting. Don't hurry. And then cut further, and so we repeat many times. So, I am already close to the end. You see, it remains to cut a circle in the center. Once again heat it and cut, finishing the moment. Finally, now simply separate the matrix from the touchscreen. As you can see, here is our touchscreen separately and displayed separately. After that you should check it, how well you have cut it. For this connect all the cables and turn on the phone. Image is present, the stripes naturally remain. And as you can see, the touchscreen also works. Everything is okay. Separate is turned out well. And now some adverts from my partners. By the way, I buy all my spare parts online, and not only spare parts, and I return a lot of money with Letyshops cashback service. The service receives reward for the purchase in more than 2000 stores and shares them with you. This is the cashback. To do this, make a purchase as usual and get a part of the money back. And not to forget about cashback, install the extension in our browser. And when you go to the stores, it will remind you to activate cashback. Also, the extension shows you to monitor price and find the best deals. And Letyshops has a mobile app, so that the cashback is always will be in our hands. And naturally, our saved money you can transfer to a bank card or put on your mobile phone balance. Don't lose your money vainly. Sign up at Letyshops.com, following the link under the video and get a premium account as a gift. Link in the description. Okay, next we need to clean everything. I tell you right way, I couldn't clean it accurately. I clean it with such way, on my finger pour isopropyl alcohol and rubbed glue. But a more convenient way is to warm it and rub it, how I usually do. As a result, after some time, all the glue was removed from the display. And finally, wipe to a shine, remove all dust particles. After erasing the glue, naturally you need to check again, because in my case, I didn't succeed in wiping. It's better to wash it with a liquid for erasing labels or warm it. Turn the phone and as you can see, the screen turned on. Yes, it works, but it already doesn't show anything at all. You need to wipe it off gently. And most likely somewhere down here, where the contacts pass of the connection of the cable of the matrix, I normally pushed. And besides this, I flooded the LCD backlight in the center, as you can see. Well, the first experience is unsuccessful. Then I hope everything will be well. It's a good experience. And finally, wait for next video, where I will succeed touchscreen change. And in order not to miss it, click on the bell and subscribe to the Art Build channel.